Just 5 years of age and gasping, struggling to breathe. Jerith lives in Noida with his parents and he has undergone a tonsil removal surgery. After 2 years of chronic swelling and breathing issues, aggravated by worsening air pollution in Delhi-NCR region, this boy had to face extreme health impacts. The toxic NCR air is taking away the most basic joys of childhood. Sachin and Sakshi moved to Noida 2 years ago to build a better life for their children, until Jerith developed persistent coughs, frequent colds, and severe nasal congestion. As the condition kept getting worse, the last resort was surgery.
Doctor said, I don't know how he's able to breathe because 90% of the airways are almost blocked due to the tonsil enlargement and the adenoids on the surgery. Because surgery is surgery, whether let it be small or a big one. For a child like him to go for the full anesthesia and go through all the process and the medication was being parents was very painful for us also. And he was so brave, like mama मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा, मैं मुझे सर्जरी करा लेने दो, मैं कुछ खा पी पाऊंगा. From the last 2 years we were like trying to find at least for 95% we were not having the outside foods or we were not going outside also कि अगर जाएंगे तो ये demand करेगा खाने की.
So, what the doctor said, like 2 years ago, he started with continuous cold and cough. So, doctor said that due to cold and cough, his adenoids and tonsils are getting swelled. Last post Diwali pollution, so the allergy and cold and cough was not going even with the medication, steroids, antibiotics. And due to infection, his adenoids, the skin in the nose and tonsils are getting swelled. So now they swell to the stage 4. They covered the area in the mouth and the nose. Because of that, he is not able to breathe properly. So we have taken advice from three to four doctors. So they all said that he is getting allergy, continuous allergy. Even after the surgery, you need to take care of his allergies. So we said, then what is the solution? They said, leave Delhi-NCR.
Easier said than done. For most people, leaving the city is not an option.
So, thing is, like, we struggled, we studied, and after so much struggle, earlier 5 years ago, we were thinking whether to live here or whether to go outside, abroad, outside India. So then we think everything is here. Our parents are here, so we managed to get IT jobs over here and chase this home, and we sold everything on our hometown to purchase home over here. So now we are thinking, like every day we are thinking, let's start a small business in our hometown or somewhere, so that we can leave NCR.
Medical professionals are now reporting a significant rise in allergy and sinus related cases in children due to persistent poor air quality.
That impact, there are more chances of having granular pharyngitis. The problem is that, the tonsils, they act as sentinels, as we call, the first guard. So once you have this repeated bouts of sinusitis, and also you become more prone to having infections in the throat also, to allergic rhinitis, nasal blockade, and of course tonsillar problems. And there is something known as granular pharyngitis, which is also very much related to the pollution.
With camera person Sachin Gupta, this is Tanushka Dutta for NDTV.